In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a YouTube video to an MP3 and save it to your device. Before we begin, a quick reminder to respect copyrights and only download audio you're allowed to use. First, open YouTube and find the video with the music you want. Use the search bar and make sure you pick the exact version you prefer: studio, live, or remix. Play a few seconds to confirm the audio is clear and the length matches what you expect. When you're sure, copy the video link. On a computer, click the address bar and copy the URL. Keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac make this faster. On mobile, tap Share and choose Copy Link. Next, open a new browser tab and head to a YouTube to MP3 converter. If you don't already have one, search for names like YTMP3, Y2Mate, or MP3 Juices and choose a reputable result. These sites work similarly and typically don't require signups. Be cautious with extra pop-ups or large flashing buttons that aren't part of the main process. You shouldn't need to install anything or grant special permissions. Close anything that looks unrelated. On the converter page, paste the YouTube link into the input box using Ctrl+V or Command+V, or long press on mobile and tap Paste. Most sites will automatically fetch the video's details and show you the title or thumbnail. Now choose MP3 as the format. If the site defaults to MP4 video, switch it to MP3 audio. If you see quality options, 128 or 192 kbps is a solid choice that balances sound and file size. Higher numbers increase size and may not improve a low-quality source. Click Convert or Download to start processing. Depending on the video's length and your connection, this can take a few seconds. Avoid clicking unrelated banners or new tabs that open during conversion. They're often ads. When the conversion finishes, click Download MP3. Your browser may save the file immediately or ask where to put it. On a computer, it usually goes to the Downloads folder unless you choose another location. If you want to keep things organized, select a music folder and rename the file to something recognizable. On a phone or tablet, check the Files or Downloads app. If the audio opens in a new tab and starts playing instead of downloading, use the menu to select Download, or long press on the player to save the file. That's it! Your MP3 is ready to add to your library, edit, or listen to offline. If a site doesn't work, try another option or switch browsers. Thanks for watching.